Okay, I'm recording now.
Okay, so we're here with Zeph. He's got real loose wrists. He works on the computer a lot. And when we go through and feel, the first thing we started with was posterior lunate. And when we do that, you can feel it shift. And if we're quiet, you can hear it. So what we're going to do is we're going to do P-Day with follow through. Zeph's going to turn his angle a little bit. Where it comes through, right there. And then to set that in, we're going to set a posterior radius anterior. So bring our point proximal, let that elbow go loose, and that sits in right in there. And then we approximate the distal radius of ulna, like that, and then we check the elbow. Let the shoulder relax. Good. So those three things together are going to help hold the carpals in tighter. After this, we have embrace so that the cartilage around the carpals can begin to heal.